Hi, this is Dr. Riaz, and I have more than 10 year experience of grant writing. And in today's presentation, I will share you some basic of grant writing tips and tricks. Layout of my presentation. We have a lot of questions on our brains, and first question is why we need a project grant. What are important point about a project grant? Novelty of grant, what the funder is seeking, who provide the grant for us, and we will also discuss the key element of a project grant. Uh, we will discuss the smart analysis for processing and evaluation of grant writing and detail of the funding we can get the grant. It question coming in mind why we need a grant project. So simple answer of this question is that we need of a project grant because to accelerate research project that is we are going to conduct. Sometime we would like to develop a computer lab, a chemistry lab, physics lab, biology lab, and science lab, and basic elementary lab. So for this purpose, we need a grant. Sometime uh, we have to develop our human resources for the for the development of the human resources. So access of human resources, we provide the funding to our MPhil and PhD students. For this purpose, we need a grant. Sometimes we have to collaborate with the industry so that for that purpose we get the grant. Uh, Sometimes we produce potential publication and paper, research paper. For this purpose, we need a lot of money, so we try to get the grant from the different donor agencies. Most of the people and to get the grant for the faculty development of their organization like school, college, and university. So in today's lecture, we will discuss in detail about all these needs of the grant writing. First of all, what is the funder is seeking? So when you offer your grant proposal, the funder see the following point, and he or she asks the following question: is the idea a novel one? Is the idea also important and feasible? What the funding agency wants from you? Is it a basic research or applied research? Did you follow the style of the funding agency? So before writing the grant, you have to ask all these questions from yourself, and then you will be able to write an excellent grant. What the funder is seeking, what the industrial need being addressed, what would be improved industrial situation look like, what can your organization do to improve the situation, how will your project document its success, are concrete measure are possible, how much will be the project cost, who will the project be funding in the future, what would your project enhance interdisciplinary technology like engineering, telecommunication, mechanical, and computer engineering? If your grant, if you provide such kind of information to the grant provider, then you have the best chance to accept your grants. It's my personal experience for the development of the capacity. So you need to tell everything in detail about the grant writing, and in you have to subsection of all this part. Key point for proposal writing. Now I would like to discuss in detail the key point of the grant writing. So I suggest you use simple and concise language, and I recommend you have to write the middle level language, and you should use the mostly the noun clause in the grant writing. In this way, you can use a simple language and simple sentence. Proposal need to be presentable and organized. Whenever you will design the proposal for the grant writing, you have to see it's a best presentable it our organization. There are no any errors and your draft is excellent. Provide adequate preliminary data and sound experimental approach for your grant writing. Provide complete proposal that include all the information and the grant provider asks for you. So if you keep all these points in your mind, I hope you can write an excellent grant. Executive summary, that is of grant proposal. So these 6 points are the basically should be included in the executive summary of your grant. First of all, you have to state the problem, identify the possible solution, specify objective and methodology, and expected benefit. Mention success indicator, a concrete, deliverable, team, expert, and timeline. So problem should be in brief and what is the problem and what are you have to all write all the possible solution. Maybe this your problem has a one solution, two solution, three solution, and so on. So specific objective and methodology will tell you detail about the grant provided, what you are going to do in future. You have also mention indicator whenever you are write the grant in a quantitative research. You also mention the team that will work during your grant uh, when you will implement your grant, and you also write the timeline. So introduction or background of your grant. Discuss why this area and this project is important. So these are you have to write a couple of sentences about introduction. Then review current state of existing knowledge, highlighting relevant data, point out the gap that the project will fill common. So you, whenever you will write the grant, there are always so many the gap in the research area and there is some deficiency in your faculty about the modern scale and knowledge, and sometimes you would like to improve the attitude of your society. That's why the grant is very important, and you have to mention these points in the introduction. Most of it's my observation. The most of the people do the following common mistake, including irrelevant details and excluding relevant information. So you, whenever you will write the grant, so there is no need to give the irrelevant detail. You have to specify everything, and mostly the grant providing agency give you the template, and they suggest this also suggests you in the template you have to write the specific word, specific terminology, and specific sentence. So you should be familiar. First of all, it is had better if you read the instruction of grant provided in details. Goal, objective, and research plan. Qua- Goal, qualitative, abstract, long term. For example, if you would like to get the grant for a master in computer science, would help in improving the working of different institutions of the Pakistan or any other country. These are your qualitative goal. You have to sub objective, quantitative. Your objective should be specific, short term, and you can write like this: at least 20 MPhil student will be graduate each year if you get the grant for this purpose. Research plan, you have to mention you, and I suggest you to use block diagram, plots, figure, image, and you have also quarter-wise planning of your grant. Your grant should be coherent and deliverables. So your plan should be clear, concise. Research plan. Provide detail of specific phase of research plan like provide provide shortcoming of existing and relevant technology, give advantages and disadvantages of proposal methodology, discuss the work to be carried out by the collaborate. So write in detail and specific all these points in grants. Here I would like to share a research plan, the block diagram. In this block diagram, first of all, whenever you will start the project, you have to purchase the equipment like the computer, printers, uh, cell phone, a laptop. That's your need. Acquisition. Uh, Second, after purchasing of the equipment, you have to work on the literature survey. You have to go on different previous grants. You have and find the relevant information, research paper, publication, blah blah. After that, implement of the basic of this project. You have to work and you have to find the all these technique and now you have to implement your grant. Uh, Design and implementation are also very important for the design. Testing and evaluation. After testing and evaluation, you can use the different tools of testing and evaluation, and you can also use different software that are available in the market. And then, and you also mentioned the end of project. The timeline and chart example is very popular for the grant, right? In which chart you give all detail month wise. So you will explain everything in your grant. So most of the grant writer use a Gantt chart for this purpose. Next, team hierarchy structure should be graphically tree structure. Team hierarchy should be pragmatic and coherent with deliverable and Gantt chart. Principal investigation and co-principal must be shared the responsibility. So, what's the role and responsibility of the principal investigator and the co-principal investigator and the person you have hired as the consultant and assistant? So, role and responsibility should be mentioned before starting the grant in your project. Team hierarchy, I would like to share is one template. For example, first you will you need to document manager and account manager. You also need the research associate, grant and developer. Sometimes the technical person. Sometimes you can take the MPhil and PhD student that will help you for the investigation. And these all people will provide the information and support the principal investigator because the principal investigator would work like the engine of the train because and every all the person they are supporting and you can work properly if you follow this hierarchy structure. Humor source for the grant writing, humor sources for the project are very important. Give the related detail, relevant experience of all your humor sources, what the qualification and experience of the principal investigation investigator, co-principal investigators, and also all the people who are supporting. You also need sometimes the consultant and you have consultant for this project and mention that how the Homer Sosa would be trained like the student, faculty member, and member. So you have to mention everything in your grant. Stress on organization capacity principle and organization. Organization capacity personnel. What is the already capacity they have, what facility then you could provide, what equipment you need, what they have experience, and what type of skill and knowledge you are going to provide them. Partnership with unique special resources, and for the sustainability and scalability, the which organizations are responsible in the most organization whenever you grant the bring any innovation in your project, you at the end you hand over this project to the government or the public sector for the sustainability and scalability. Show your institution lab strength and human resources. This is a one picture that I also write the grant, and I also show how people are the supportive, and when you will write the grant and what type of people you need for the implementing of your grant. What a benefit! You also have to see benefit to industry of your country. Clearly state what benefit would the industry of your country from this project. Show the part of work the industrial partner will carry out, feedback on the development of the atom and everything. You have also show collaboration letter from relevant industry, show feasibility of anything. And remember, interdisciplinary collaboration and human resources training get a high weightage in the eye of funding agency. And would like to share with tip. If you write the grant in interdisciplinary collaboration, there are more chances that you will get the grant. Motivation for collaboration research to promote joint research and education, technology and economics. You can start the joint project with them. Open up new ideas and promote interdisciplinary technology. Some technology they are need in the education industry, in the health industry, and sometimes in other industry in agriculture. So you can tell open the new ideas and promote interdisciplinary technology because this is the burning issue in which the most funding agency provide funding to you. To boost national and internal recognition of your institution is also important because you would like to get the more and more grants. To enhance exchange and this exposure of faculty and student and sometimes the parent and your organization, you can get the grant, and collaboration is very important for getting the grant. Budget of a proposal is very uh, important part of your proposal because without budget you cannot do anything. And as you know, money is the like the oxygen for the survival of the human being. Similarly, oxygen is required for the survival of human being. Similarly, money is required for implementing or completing the project. So you should keep the following point. Budget should be pragmatic, concise, budget format, formula line item, uh, budget. Budget, you have to narrate your budgets in different columns. Budget components, salary, stipend, humor, social, everything should be in your mention in your budget proposal portion. Research material, supply, equipment like the special equipment, consultant, traveling cost, construction not allowed in the most, overhead indirect cost. So you have to make the column of all these need and mention, and then you have to give the grand total of your proposal. Budget example equipment rated. Big part of application is equal to the question section. Scored as a part of overall application account for about 20%. The budget is where you tell us much about money and need of money and why would like to get such kind of money. So it should be right in the budget section of your grant. What should be reasonable and what are the meaning of reasonable? Amount of request extremely large request unlikely to be meet and may be the artificial low for you. So if you write a lot of amount, the acceptability of your proposal is rare. Also, program size, if for example, program $100,000 request reasonable for the 100 participant, not so reasonable for the 15 participant. So you have to look your population and based upon the population, you have to demand for the budget. So people served and non-grant factor, all points you should keep in your mind while writing the grant. Essential, appropriate to the program. Example, low risk participation are less likely to need residential treatment. Example, high risk of population may need more drug testing. Needs and want requests should be balanced, not the kitchen sink approach. So kitchen sink approach is a lot of wastage of money. So you have to save the money. You have to use the money a proper and manageable way. Accurate, very important in grant writing score. Request disallowable and excessive amount will hurt your budget score. Use correct line item, provide rate for everything, and for this purpose you have to go in market, you have to conduct survey, you have to assess the cost of everything. This kind of survey will you provide. How can you give a accurate, uh, how can you write the accurate amount for your project? Detail, name provider for each line item, detail cost, rate for each lining, justification matter. Don't just do the calculation. Tell us why it is important to program. So it is not to only do calculation. You have to give the justification of all the money that you are going to spend in grant for such proposal or pursuits. So this is a chart diagram, funding agency, expert review, institution, facilitation like the ORAC, Office of Research, Innovation and Commercialization are very important. And all these people will provide you the information for if you are the principal investigator gator and the internal between the funding agency and institutions and in Pakistan mostly all are getting the grants and they see from where you are getting the grant and where are you spending that grant. After submit the grant proposal, contact the funder after some time, request the feedback, send a thank you letter, keep funder involved with the program activities. Unfortunately, if your grant is rejected, it doesn't mean you lost everything. Improve and submit of your uh, that grant to other organization and maybe the next time improve with the passage of time and I hope you will become successful for getting the grant from the funding agency. Important of funding in academic research are these: funding help to get research done, pay subject, support for research assistant, summary salary for you and your supporting. Sometimes you're traveling support. You have to buy equipment for your laboratory, validation for quality of your idea, research from outsourcing, help for promotion. So you will get the funding from the different hardware and software for your institutions uh, during project. And these all the software and hardware component after the completion of project, you will hand over to the organization. because these resources, physical resources, can be used again and again. And I would like to share some organization from where you can get the grant. And these funding agencies are the popular. I also given the email of all these organizations. Click on and try to get whether they have the grant for you. And in this way, hopefully, good luck. Go ahead and get the grant. Thank you to all. If you have any question, please write below this PowerPoint and I will respond to you.